In this lesson, we're going to be looking at multiplying decimal numbers. First of all, set up your multiplication just as you would. Don't really worry about lining up the decimals at this point because the decimal place in a multiplication doesn't go directly under the decimal in your question. So, first of all, we're going to start just like we normally would for normal multiplication. So I'm going to start with multiplying by my tenths at the moment. So 4 times 3 is 12. And 8 times 3 is 24 plus the 1 is 25. Now I'm going to go on to the 5. So this time I'm multiplying by 10 more than the last time I was multiplying. So I'm still going to put my 0 under there. 4 times 5 is 20. And 8 times 5 is 40 plus the 2 is 42. Sorry, saying one thing and writing another thing. Now I'm just going to add those two things together. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. And the 4 is plus a 0 there. So it'll just be 4. Now, in my question, I've got 2 digits that are after a decimal place. That means I need to have 2 digits after the decimal place in my answer. So 1, 2, so it's 44.52. So in all of these questions, there are 2 numbers after decimal points. So there will always be 2 decimal places in your answers. Please show all working. The answers are at the end, so if you just scroll down on the worksheet, you will find them. So, I don't think to have started with the first one, but that's okay. It's just a value. You can now get on with the worksheet.